What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I have a 6-minute follow along ab workout that you can do from anywhere. Alright, like I said, today's video is going to be a follow-along ab workout. I've done tons of these in the past, but this one is going to be great because you don't need any kind of weights. You can do it from anywhere, whether you're right in your living room or in the yoga room at the gym and you're just looking for a good workout to do after your lift. This is going to be perfect. It's only going to be 3 exercises, so it's super simple, and what we're going to be doing is going 45 seconds on for each exercise, followed by a 15-second rest. So it's going to be these 1-minute intervals basically, and we're going to repeat all 3 exercises twice, so it's going to be 6 minutes in total. Going to be a great workout and super quick. But I will say, if you're trying to get your abs to show, summer's right around the corner, you need to be focusing on lowering your overall body fat percentage, and working your abs is not going to do that. If you want to learn how to lower your overall body fat percentage, whether that's going from 10% down to 7% or going from 20% to 15%, then you need to understand what your body type is and be following a diet and a training plan that is specific to your body type. If you want some help with figuring that out, I have a free body type quiz that tells you exactly what you need to do to lower your body fat percentage, build lean muscle, bulk up, whatever it is your goal is and what your body type is. It tells you exactly what to do. The link is right below this video in the description. Hit that, take the quiz, watch the video at the end. That's all you gotta do. Now, getting into this video, I'm just gonna get down on the mat. Like I said, it's gonna be a super simple workout. We're gonna be doing 3 exercises. I'm gonna show you all 3 real quickly. First one is going to be a knee to elbow crunch. So we're gonna be starting like this and then crunching up like that. That's going to be the first exercise right there. Second exercise is going to be a low plank, opposite knee to elbow crunch. So from here, we're going to go not opposite knee to elbow, other knee to elbow, other knee to elbow. Then from there, getting on all 4s, and we're going to do reach crunches. So we're going to go reach with your right arm and left leg, and then you're going to bring your elbow and knee together, crunching up with you're almost trying to drive your belly button up and crunch with your core, reaching, crunching. And you're gonna do that with both sides also. So those are gonna be the 3 exercises. Like I said, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's do it. So let's put my timer right over here. Get ready for the first knee to elbow crunches, and let's go. So, and you're not going to be placing your feet and hands on the ground to rest. You're just tapping them and then getting right back into the next rep. And really focus on using your abs here. This is very easy to go like this and not really use your core much at all. But if you crunch with every single rep, it becomes a lot more difficult and a lot more useful. 5 seconds. And rest. So it's gonna be a quick rest, so get ready for the next exercise also. I'll face this way for you. So here it's gonna be the low plank, opposite knee to elbow crunch. So getting in here, and you can start with your butt up in the air a little bit to make this a little easier. And you're gonna drive your knee up and just about touch your elbow. So butt is in the air on purpose here, because if not, you're gonna be down here trying to drive your knee to elbow, and it's not gonna be very easy. This is to make it a little easier, but also put as much tension on your abs as possible so that you can get you're forced to get your knee up to your elbow. 10 seconds left. 2, 1, and rest. Okay, so getting into the next exercise, we're gonna be doing down on all fours, and we're gonna be doing reach crunches. So here, because it is both sides, we are gonna be switching halfway through, but getting into it, you're gonna reach and you're gonna crunch. Reach, crunch. So we're gonna do this for about 22 seconds. And really focusing on that crunching motion. And switch, reaching, crunching. To make it harder or to feel the contraction better, breathe out through your mouth with every crunch. And rest. All right, so halfway done with the workout. We're basically doing exactly what we just did one more time. So 3 seconds, getting into the knee to elbow crunches, and let's go. This is the belt. These, in my opinion, are the hardest. So we can get through these. The next two get a little easier. $15 more seconds. Three, two, one. And rest. All right, so next one, gonna be the low plank, opposite knee to elbow crunches. Getting ready, 1 second, butt up in the air, and drive your knee up. And if you want to go faster than this, by all means, go as fast as you want. This is great for those obliques. Ten seconds left. And rest. So last one is gonna be the reach crunches. So remember, we're going 22 seconds each side, so don't forget to switch. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, all fours, reach out and crunch. Reach out, crunch. And again, you're not doing this lazy, you're not going like this. You're really focusing on crunching with your core, getting your lower back to come up and reaching out. And breathing out to take it to the next level. And switch. Three seconds. And rest. So that's it, guys. A 6-minute ab workout, 3 exercises, perform for 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, repeated 2 times each exercise, 6 minutes. That's all you need to get a good ab workout. If people say you gotta spend 20, 30 minutes on abs, yeah, depending on what your training plan is, it might help, but realistically, if you spend 5 to 10 minutes a day, maybe 3 times a week, you're going to have a much stronger core, which is going to help you with tons of other lifts, going to help get you nice developed abs, but you got to focus on lowering that body fat percentage if you want them to show, because you can have the strongest, best abs in the world, but if you got fat covering it, no one's ever going to see them. So hopefully this video, hope you liked this workout. If you did, click that thumbs up button below, smash that subscribe button. If you want to check out some other ab workouts, click that card right there. And other than that, hope you enjoyed it. I'll I'll see you in the next one.